Is injection molding profitable? Injection molding is a manufacturing process that is used to produce a wide range of plastic parts and components. It is a versatile and efficient process that is widely used in a variety of industries, including automotive, aerospace, medical, and consumer products. If the injection molding company can do the following, then injection molding is profitable. The ability to produce parts efficiently and cost-effectively is one of the key factors that can contribute to the profitability of plastic injection molding. Is the ability to produce injection molded parts efficiently and cost-effectively. Injection molding is a high-speed process that can produce parts at a rate of several hundred to several thousand parts per hour, depending on the size and complexity of the parts. This high production rate can help to reduce the unit fixed costs of each part, making the overall regulatory approval processes more profitable. The use of automation and robotics. Use of automation and robotics in the injection molding process can help to improve efficiency and reduce labor distribution costs. Many injection molding machines are equipped with automated systems that can load and unload mold cavities, as well as monitor and control the plastic molding process. This can help to reduce the need for manual labor, which can be a significant total costs in the injection molding process. The demand for plastic parts and components. Injection molding is a mature and established manufacturing process that is used in a variety of industries, which means that there is typically a consistent demand for the products that are produced using these manufacturing techniques. This can provide a steady stream of revenue for companies that are engaged in injection molding. The ability to produce high-quality parts. Another factor that can contribute to the profitability of injection molding is the ability to produce high-quality parts that meet the customer's specifications. Injection molding is a precise and accurate manufacturing process, and the quality of the finished parts depends on the quality of the mold cavities and the injection molding machine itself. By using high-quality tooling and equipment, injection molding businesses can produce parts that meet the customer's exacting standards, which can lead to repeat business and increase profitability. The ability to offer a wide range of services. Furthermore, the ability to offer a wide range of services and capabilities can also contribute to the profitability of injection molding. Many injection molding businesses offer a range of services, such as mold design assistance, prototyping, and secondary operations, in addition to the core injection molding process. By offering these additional services, businesses can differentiate themselves from their competitors and attract a wider range of customers. The ability to adapt and innovate. The ability to adapt and innovate can also play a role in the profitability of injection molding. The market research for plastic parts and components is constantly changing, and injection molding companies that can adapt and innovate in response to changing customer needs and market trends can be well positioned to take advantage of new opportunities and maintain their profitability. Conclusion. As a result, injection molding can be a profitable business for individuals and organizations that are skilled and experienced in this field. Injection molding can be a profitable industry for companies that are well positioned to take advantage of the opportunities in the market. The injection molding industry can be a profitable business for individuals and companies who can offer high quality products and services to their customers.